Iris here, and today we are grilling salsa. All right, y'all, if you have not made your own tortilla chips, you're missing out. These are amazing. They're so crunchy and crispy, a little smoky, so good. And this salsa is so tangy and delicious, mild but citrusy from that lime. The jalapeno, you have a little bit of that jalapeno flavor without a lot of that spice. The tomatoes are so fresh and juicy and sweet. Cilantro's bomb, as it always is, and that garlic is mild as well. You have that delicious garlic flavor without that raw bite. All right, y'all, this was so good. This was grilled salsa, so delicious. And this was Bussin Eats. We'll see you next time.